Alright, the question says an operation symbolized by this on the set Q of rational numbers is defined by x operation y equals to 7xy for x and y belonging to set of rational numbers. Now, remember, your rational numbers are positive or negative fractions, right? Okay. No, so question A now. We are to find under the operation symbolized by this. Find under the operation, question I, the identity element. So you have to find under the operation the identity element. The next question, the inverse of the element A belonging to the set of rational numbers. So we have two questions in one, or two questions here. So first of all, we're going to find the identity element. So let's find the identity element. So write out the expression. Remember, the identity element, simply x operation, the identity element for the set, x operation E. Yes, x operation identity element in commutative, then I write it commutatively should equals to same x. So identity element should not change the value of x. Alright, so 7xy is 7 times x times y. Remember now that our y is going to be replaced by the identity element which we are looking for, and all of that is equals to x. So all of that should not change. Okay, so if you have that, you have that. So you can have 7x is equals to x. To find e, you can divide both sides by 7x. So divide both sides by 7x or something like this, right? Okay, so 7x cancels here. Over here we have x cancels x. We have 1 over 7. So we found our identity element as 1 over 7. 1 over 7. So the next thing is to find the inverse of the element a. Okay, so we have an element a as part of this set of rational numbers. Just pick out an element. I need to find the inverse. Take note. The identity element is the identity element for the whole set under the given operation. So the identity element in this case, 1 over 7, is for the whole set of rational numbers. But the inverse element is unique. That means the inverse of element a, for instance, a has its own inverse. Another element within Q also will have its own different inverse. So the inverse is unique or different for each element in the set, in the given set. But the identity element serves the whole set, or the whole set. Okay, so let's find the alright, so the next step, the inverse of the element a, inverse of one particular element in this set Q. So particular element a, let's find its inverse. So write the expression for inverse, finding as inverse. So it's basically a, the operation, a operation. Okay, so it's a operation. The inverse, symbol for inverse of a, is equals to, let's write it commutatively. All of that should give you the identity element. Okay, so remember so it becomes a operation, its inverse is equals to, let's find the rule is 7xy. Okay, so this is our x, this is our x, this is our y.